Unit 5 Natural Phenomena. Chapter 11 Earth and its Neighbors. The Earth. The Earth is round in shape. It is the only place in the universe where life exists. The Earth is also called a blue planet. Look at the picture. The blue part is the water, the brown part is the land, and the white patches are the clouds in the sky. Land, water, and air are the elements that make our survival possible on the Earth. There is more water than land on the Earth. That is why the Earth is called a blue planet. The planets. The Sun and the family of 8 planets and their moons form the solar system. Our Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Planets do not have light of their own. They bounce back the light of the Sun. The Sun has 8 planets that go around it in their fixed paths called orbit. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Atmosphere. A thick envelope of air around the Earth is called atmosphere. It is held near the surface of the planet by Earth's gravitational force. Air is very important for all kinds of life to survive. We can live without food for many days, without water for few days, but we can't live without air even for few minutes. This air is a mixture of many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, etc. Without the atmosphere, life on Earth will not be possible. The atmosphere contains the air we breathe, protects life from harmful rays of the sun, helps keep the planet's heat from the sun from going back into space, is a major part of the water cycle, keeps the climate on Earth moderate compared to that of other planets. Let us study about the 8 planets in the solar family of the Sun. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun and is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Its color is a dark gray. Even though it is nearest to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet due to its composition. Venus is the second nearest planet to the Sun. It is also called the morning star or evening star, as it can be seen in the sky at dawn or dusk. It is the hottest planet. Earth is the planet on which we live. It is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet where life is possible. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is red in color as the soil and the rocks on its surface are red. Thus, it is also called the red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar family and the largest in size. Its place is fifth from the Sun. It has 79 moons. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. It has rings around it. It has 62 moons. Its color is yellow. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the coldest planet. It appears blue-green in color. It has a ring system and 27 moons. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Movements of the Earth. As we know that all the planets including Earth moves around the Sun. While moving around, the Earth also spins about its axis. These movements cause day and night and also seasons. Rotation and revolution are 2 motions of the Earth. If it is first rotation, the Earth rotates on its own axis just like a top. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called the rotation of the Earth. The Earth's axis is slightly tilted and passes through the center of the Earth. The Earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours. That makes a complete day. Day and night. Day and night are caused by the rotation of the Earth. The portion of the Earth which faces the Sun is lit up and therefore has day. The portion which is away from the Sun is dark and therefore has night. The Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. So the Sun appears first in the east. Second revolution. The Earth moves around the Sun in a definite path. This path is called the Earth's orbit. The movement of the Earth around the Sun in an orbit is called revolution. The Earth takes 3,651 quarters of a day to complete a revolution around the Sun. The revolution of the Earth causes changes in the seasons. Our Earth experiences 4 seasons, which are summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Earth has different seasons. Because the axis of the Earth is tilted, which makes one hemisphere lean towards the sun while the other hemisphere leans away. The hemisphere that tilts towards the sun has long days and has more hours of sunshine and heat, causing summer. The hemisphere that tilts away from the sun has short days and gets less sunshine and heat, causing winter. In one complete revolution around the sun, each hemisphere of the earth in turn tilts towards and away from the sun, bringing all the four seasons. For example, when we have summer in India, which is in the northern hemisphere, Australia in the southern hemisphere has winter. In India, we have 5 seasons in a year. They are winter, spring, summer, monsoon, autumn. The sun. The sun is a big ball of fire. It is the star closest to the earth. It has its own heat and light. The earth and the other planets go round the sun. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. This is because the earth is rotating about its own axis from west to east. The moon. The moon is the brightest object that we see in the night sky. It is the natural satellite of the earth because it moves around the earth. It completes one rotation on its axis in 29.5 days. It takes the same time to complete one revolution around the earth. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects in the light of the sun. The shape and size of the moon keep on changing. Sometimes it is a thin crescent. Sometimes it is half and sometimes it is full. The moon is not changing its shape actually. It appears to change its shape due to the changes in the position of the earth. Why does the moon change its shape? The moon moves around the earth. It takes 27.5 days to complete one round. Look at the picture showing the phases of the moon. At position A, the moon is between the sun and the earth. One half of the surface of the moon is lit, but its dark half faces the earth. The dark surface does not reflect any light to us. This is the new moon day. At position B, the earth lies between the sun and the moon. Here also, only half of the surface of the moon is lit, but the entire lit surface faces the earth. To us, this is the full moon day. In between these two positions, we are able to see only a part of the lit surface of the moon, which seems to change its shape from day to day. The stars are huge balls of hot gases that have a light of their own. They appear as tiny dots in the sky as they are very far away from the earth. Stars form patterns in the sky. These patterns of stars are called constellations. There are about 88 different constellations. Some of the constellations have been shown here.